Farming is definitely a lifestyle, and the best time to learn about the hard work and dedication farming takes is when you're young.
We are at the Spokane Junior Livestock Show, and I am showing steers.
Anna Geddes is a 9th grader showing steers at the show today. Competing takes time and dedication to your animal.
My brother and I have been getting up for the past 3 months at 5:40. We get up and we feed 6 steers every morning, turn fans on them, work their hair, do our stuff during the day, come back at night, feed them, let them go, work their hair again, and then clean out the pens.
And all this too, you're going to school.
Yeah.
You're a busy girl.
Yeah.
Today, Anna is showing her steer Herfy. She's worked with him for a long time and will show him for 3 days before he's sent to auction.
Herfy's a purebred Hereford steer that I raised myself off one of my cows. I've had him since January of 2020.
You proud of him?
I am really proud of Herfy, yes. He is the sweetest deer.
You have to say goodbye.
I do. I have to say goodbye all the time.
I know. Okay.
You do know that's feeding someone.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Anna's mom, Kelly, was also at the show to support her kids.
Are you proud of your kids?
Yes, I'm very proud of my kids and my nephews and my cousins, all of them.
Yeah, it's like a big family party in there, isn't it?
Yep, it is.
My whole entire family, cleared from my great-grandpa's showing steers, so just since I was 2, I've been working on the cattle.
They get up at 5 in the morning before school. They go catch them, tie them up, feed them so they know how much each animal's getting. They have to learn, well, this one doesn't gain as much per day and this one's gaining too much, so this one needs more and this one needs less.
Well, I see a lot of young girls like you probably only weigh 100 pounds, and you're maneuvering these big animals.
You have them on the halter since they're 9 months old. They gain to trust you and cooperate with the halter before they get huge.
In addition to Anna, there are a ton of other 4-H members of all ages competing today.
I'm Rosin Soliday. I'm 14 years old, and I'm here showing my steers.
My name is Grace Booth, and I'm 18.
How old are you?
9.
You're 9? And what are you doing here today?
I'm showing my steer Rocky.
I feel like it teaches you hard work, how much responsibility to take care of an animal is, and to raise them how you want them to be fit for the show.
What do you do when the steer does not want to cooperate?
We work through it.
That steer must be a lot bigger than you.
He weighs 21 pounds.
How does a little girl like you show a big steer like that?
He's nice and gentle, and I know how to be nice to him, and he would like to be nice back.
It's definitely my favorite, seeing all the little kids run around and asking if they can brush or help out.
He's very well behaved.
He is.
Good job.
Happy.
On the 3rd day of the show, Anna took Herfy to be auctioned off.
Anna Geddes, Footloose 4-H Club. I had 65.70. I had 65 of that.
I got $2.75 per pound. He weighed 1,300 pounds. 1310.
Now we're at the $50, 25, 50, 75.
Yeah, it's huge. That's what I was hoping for, shooting for.
So 275 from a buyer, 235.
I was fitting and showing senior champion. So I competed against all the other senior showmen, and I was chosen as the top here.
And what's next for Anna?
Next, I have 3 more steers at home.